November 23, 2024. Ito ang unang araw ng aming paglalakbay sa aming road trip of North Luzon.
30 centimos ika'y magkakasama. Baka lumagpas na.
Itong highest van ng aming inarkila. Kasama na rin ang driver sa kahabaan ng aming paglalakbay ng 6 na araw.
Yeah. Tuloy namin dating 2019. Yeah, the last time sa Green Day.
Napakasarap na tubig na aming nabili sa aming stopover sa Rosario, La Union. Naging malugod ang aming paglalakbay hanggang sa marating namin ang aming Airbnb na tutuluyan sa Paraan Street sa Baguio City. Ito nga palang mga kasamahan ko, mga kaklase ko, dating back 1979. So this road trip is actually celebrating 45 years since we joined the UP Corps of Cadets.
So when you settle in, we can either go around or we can go and have lunch.
Ang aming mga misis, bagaman hindi nakatanong lahat, sa karamihan sa kanila ay nakilala din namin ng college days.
3 doors, 3 units. Wow.
Yung pina-frame ko. Pina-frame ko, tapos yung naka-frame na.
Itong Airbnb na aming tutuluyan ay pag-aari ni Jay at Michelle. Sila ang aming hosts dito sa Baguio.
Oh, this is not a bedroom.
No, parang yan. If you want like a bar type.
Oh, I see. For the
And also if there's...
younger kids to hang out.
Kung ano, ito. Parang ano, I think...
Ayala School.
Private Ayala School.
Sino bang aalis tomorrow night?
Kami yung bill. Dalawa tayong shirt, pero yung women, isang lang.
Ah, okay.
And this is my earth. So, syempre, kailangan ko muna i-sample sa yung earths.
Oh, ano pala? You have a green thumb?
No.
Huh?
Taga-utos lang ako.
Mamatayo.
Kasi over, pag nalabag. Kaso I don't spray, kaya may mga ano. Parsley. Lemon something.
Lemongrass.
Hindi, lemon balm.
Kinakain ni Dave.
No, she would come up mga once a year or twice a year. She just wanted to have a place na cool. That's me and a singer. Especially kami ni Jane.
Yung second yan. Second daughter.
This is the second daughter. Most of their paintings siya. May heater dun sa kitchen before.
Yeah.
Kasi this is where they did Zoom, their mga Zoom classes when everything was shut down. Tapos Jay and I had our office tables here. So parang this is our office study area
For the family.
for the family.
Galing. Favorite ka ng lola mo?
No. Actually, this
still
house,
alive? No? Oh, no.
This house went to the older sister of my mom. Because I was her eldest na inaanak. So, this one she gave to me. And then her big house in Davao, she gave to her second na inaanak. But the grocery, madali lang naman din. The grocery is very near. Pero lahat ng mga meat and fish ko, dala ko na.
After 4, this one also, the Maron, yes, it's 1 hour best seller. And the mango tart, have you tried it?
Because I know the thing is, I ordered it.
The Gallery by Witchcraft. Welcome to Korean Palace.
Para exercise kami. Para kayo dito sa pagkakas. Tama sir. First time. Amen.
Hindi ba kailangan oil?
May kanin sa baba, kimchi rice, sama
Tayo ng sauce.
Okay. Init na, no? Init na yung panahon. Mamaya, galing ito yun.
Alis na yun siya para makaalis tayo.
Okay lang po.
Picture lang.
Jay, bisa mo na. Dito sa mind bread. Meron kang ano?
Ako na lang.
Kasi baka malamig ko age 41.
Ito na.
Binigyan namin ng magandang aginaldo ang aming nurse sa Manor Hotel.